What's up, Herbal Laws Extended family? We will answer some people's question on YouTube and also on Google. Yeah, man, and also their curiosity. What is that question? The question is, what is compost? So it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Yeah, man, and the weather is good. Yeah, man, so if you are new here, this is the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube where we grow herb for teas, we grow fruits and vegetables, but most of all, we grow herb for teas. Yeah, man. Let's go. Closer, come a bit closer, come a bit closer, come a little bit closer. This is my compost pile that I have created. So, what is compost? Compost is the result from the all-natural breaking down, rotted, decay of all organic matter. Yeah, man, all organic matter. So, all this organic matter break down. And in previous episode, we talk about the 4 materials that I use to create my compost. Those 4 materials are green, which provide nitrogen. We use brown, which provide carbon. We use air, and we use water. So the channel grow every day. So for those who are new here, I am Herbal Laws from the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube, where we grow herb for tea. Yeah, man. As I man sip some bush tea. Yeah, man. Fever grass, one of my favorite herb tea. Yeah. And as I said, my pursuit is to package this herb for sale. Yeah, man. So we say compost is from the process, the breaking down, the decay, the rotted process of the all organic matter. Yeah, the breakdown of it. Compost is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Yeah, man, one that sometimes our plants need, especially when the leaves of the plant get yellow. Sometimes the leaf need some potassium. So from the scrap, the banana skin and all those, the ripe banana skin and those things in the compost help with the potassium. Yeah. So though the amount varies from green, brown, yeah, the amount varies sample to sample. But the compost, yeah, it have the complete the complete nutrients that the plant need. So any well rotted, yeah, compost, yeah, having the potassium, the phosphorus, yeah, and the nitrogen. Yeah, man, so I just refresh my body with some coconut water. So what do we get from the coconut water? Yeah, man, the coconut water is high in minerals. Yeah, it's an electrolyte. It have electrolyte in it. Yeah, and it decrease muscle cramp. Yeah, man. Coconut water, all natural. And whenever you exercise or before you exercise, because it's good to drink it before you exercise. Yeah, man, so it helps to decrease muscle cramp after exercise. Mm. I eat the meat too, but I'll go to that a little later. What is the long-lasting benefit of compost? Yeah, it builds up climate resistant. Yeah, man, it helps to reduce soil erosion. Yeah, it helps to soil is better able to absorb and hold water. So that in that case, it helps to reduce soil erosion. And it's also said that, you know, it keep the carbon in the soil and not emit it in the atmosphere. Yeah, man. And it also, you know, have humus. Yeah, man. The dark part of the soil or the dark matter of the soil. Yeah, man. Humus. Yeah. So that's it for compost. Yeah, man. When you add compost to your land or in your soil that you use to plant, yeah, it the soil absorb the carbon and not emit it in the air. Yeah, so it helps to protect the environment. Yeah, and in all that we do, we protect the environment. So that's the reason why we don't use plastic in our compost. We use materials that are environmentally friendly. Yeah? Sight? See you in another episode.